Have you ever sucked in your stomach and held your breath to squeeze between people? Or is that just me? Well, if you're looking at a system wishing you could do the same with your high-speed signals or cables, I am here to grant that wish. At just 7.6 millimeters wide and supporting data rates up to 64 gigabit per second PAM4, Samtec AcceleRate slim body direct attach cable assemblies are like engineering magic. They're offered with 8, 16, or 24 differential pairs in a 2-row 0.635mm pitch connector and 34 AWG cables, with mixed signal options that add single-ended signals for additional flexibility. Cable options include 92 and 100 ohm differential pair and 50 ohm coax single-ended types. The ultra-compact connector and narrow cable utilize Samtec flyover technology, routing signals above the PCB to simplify layout and extend signal reach.